black hole that is devouring a star food is providing an idea of how black holes devour matter and affect the evolution of galaxies. The researchers found that the explosion of the X-ray signal caused when a black hole shattered a shooting star was repeated at radio wavelengths almost 2 weeks later. The echo of the radio most likely comes from an exodus of highly energetic particles that come out of the black hole, the researchers said. In 2014, the Las Cumbres Observatory Automated Survey for Supernovas, a collection of robotic telescopes scattered around the world, detected signals 300 million light-years away. The event, known as ASASSN14 Li, occurred when a star was in tatters after passing too close to a black hole. Multiple telescopes turned immediately to track the flash of tidal disruption, a powerful explosion of electromagnetic energy caused by the destruction. After analyzing data for approximately 6 months, Dhiraj Pasham, a researcher at the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, and Stuart Van Velzen, of Johns Hopkins University, found a pattern in the radio wavelength that almost doubles the X-ray signal. This tells us that the black hole feeding rate is controlling the force of the jet it produces, Pasham said in a statement. A well-fed black hole produces a strong jet, while a malnourished black hole produces a weak jet or no jet at all. This is the first time we have seen a jet that is controlled by a supermassive black hole feeding.